How to check if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Open the chat with the person you think blocked you. Just opening the chat doesn't mean you haven't been blocked. Look for online. If you see this status at the top, they have WhatsApp open right now, and you are not blocked. If you don't see it, they might just have their phone off, or you might be blocked. Check for last seen. If they aren't online, look for the last seen timestamp. If you can't see it, they either turned off this privacy feature, or they blocked you. Look at the check marks on your message. Send them a message. One gray check mark. The message was sent, but not delivered. This happens if you are blocked, their phone is off, or they uninstalled WhatsApp. 2 gray check marks. The message was delivered, so you are not blocked. Check their profile. Look at their profile photo and status. If they usually change them but you haven't seen any updates, you may have been blocked. Try to call them. Tap the phone icon to place a WhatsApp voice call. If the call does not start ringing the user, they might have blocked you. They could also have disabled the call feature. Finally, if you see no online or last seen status, only one check mark, and your calls don't ring, it is highly likely you have been blocked.